Want to cut back on food waste? This whole cauliflower soup uses the entire cauliflower, leaves and all. To start, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then line a baking tray with baking paper. Remove the leaves from the cauliflower and place on the tray. Spray well with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Pop in the oven and bake for 7 to 10 minutes, turning halfway through cooking until the leaves are crisp. Set aside to cool. While the leaves are cooking, heat the oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. Add the bacon and cook stirring for 5 minutes until crisp. Transfer to a plate lined with paper towel. Next, add the leek to the pan and cook until tender. Add the chopped cauliflower, potato, stock and half the cooked bacon. Bring to a boil and then reduce the heat to medium-low and cook covered for 20 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Set aside to cool slightly. Stir the cheddar into the cauliflower mixture and then using a stick blender, carefully blend until the mixture is smooth. Season with salt and pepper. Finally, divide the cauliflower mixture among serving bowls. Drizzle with a little cream, then top with cauliflower leaves and the remaining bacon. To finish, sprinkle with chives and season with pepper. Full of delicious flavour and texture, this whole cauliflower soup will warm you up from the inside out.